How to set financial goals or timelines for investing. Alam mo, pag ikaw ay nag-set ng timelines for investing, that means meron kang pera na nilaan ngayon at gusto mong lumaki ng ganito over a period of time. That can be a misleading question. Sapagkat sino ba ang hindi nagnanais na ang kanilang 10,000 maging 1,000,000 after 1 year? Everyone dreams of that. And sometimes, those kind of thinking make individuals invest in high-yielding, offers coming from various individuals or offices that claim that they can give you those kind of returns. Always be very familiar that economic cycles will dictate certain interest rates during that period of time. Bantayan po ninyo kung anong return ng securities. Ang return ng government securities will allow you more or less the kind of return over a period of time. Bibigyan mo ngayon yan ng spread for corporates. Meaning, if the 5-year rate is 5%, for example, and you have a corporate credit which in risk analysis is 2% worse off than the government risk. That means 7% ang kikitain mo. So, on a worst case, 7% over 5 years for corporate, 5% for government. Magkakaroon ka ng ideya kung ano ang dapat mong kikitain. Pag ito ngayon ay lumalampas dito, you now have to start asking, saan kukunin? Kung equities, abay, nakahanap ba ito ng langis sa ilalim ng kanilang garahe? Kung sila ay nakahanap ng langis sa ilalim ng kanilang garahe at magkakaroon ng negosyo, nalimpak ang return, abay, jackpot po yan. Makakapag-invest kayo. Meron ba silang negosyo na sila lang ang merong advantage over the rest? Nakaimbento ba sila ng gamot o nakaimbento ng isang bagay na masasabing sila lang ang meron? Ba, napakaganda na lalagyan ng pera. Meron ba silang technology that the rest are wanting to have and they have the ability to take advantage of that technology over a period of time? Napakaganda pong investment niya. Pag wala ho silang tinatawag nating unique selling proposition, abay, tayo'y magtatanong, saan papunta? Saan mo kukunin ang kita? Sapagkat na-identify mo kung ano ang maaari mo lang kitain based on a country's economic condition as of that point of time.